Welcome to Novodiax's instructional video for our CoNAb SARS-CoV-2 neutralizing antibody lateral flow test on fingertip blood. Before getting started, make certain to have personal protection and all of the necessary items for testing within reach. The kit should contain the following: an alcohol swab towelette, lancet and transfer pipette, the CoNAb antibody cassette, and a dropper bottle containing the diluent. There are two types of dropper bottles you could receive. Please read the instructions for use to determine how many drops of diluent to dispense. Finally, have a stopwatch or other timing device available for use. Once the test area is set, prepare to collect the blood sample. The CoNAb test can use plasma, serum, or fingertip blood. In this video, we're using a fingertip sample. When using this method, have the individual first wash their hands in warm water to encourage blood flow. Using an alcohol swab towelette, clean the finger from which you wish to collect the blood. We recommend using the index finger or adjacent inside fingers to draw blood. Begin by pressing the open tip of the lancet firmly against the fingertip until you hear a click sound. Once the finger has been pricked, a drop of blood should become visible on the surface of the skin. While holding the pipette horizontally, gently immerse the tip of the transferring pipette into the blood droplet. There, the fluid will be drawn up into the pipette via capillary action. Fill the pipette to the black line shown on the tube while being careful to avoid touching or squeezing the transfer pipette bulb at the opposite end. If more blood is required, gently massage the finger in the direction of the puncture to increase blood flow. Following dispense, let the specimen absorb into the pad for 20 seconds. Then use the dropper bottle to sequentially dispense either 3 or 5 drops of sample buffer, depending upon which container you have. Incubate for 15 minutes using a timer. As the test strip is incubating, results will begin to appear in the center strip window. For best results, allow the test strip to incubate for the full 15-minute interval. Read and record the test results within 30 minutes of test completion. Avoid reading the results after this time. Look on the back of the cartridge bag or outer box to find the CoNAb result analysis reference containing an image of 3 different strips. Visually compare the results obtained or scan the cassette with a strip reader. Users may see 1 or 2 lines. A control line or letter C indicates the test is performing adequately. A line at the letter T or test line is the specimen result. The more faded or faint this line appears, the more neutralizing antibodies to COVID-19 are present in the specimen. For more information about our CoNAb test, please visit our website or watch our next video related to reading and interpreting test results.